So guys, one of the most important things that a trader has to pay attention to, especially those who are trading in derivatives, is volatility. And one of the most beautiful tools that I have used in my trading life is a simple tool called Straddle Premium. And the Straddle Premium basically shows the current price of the at the money call option plus put option combined. Right, so this blue line that you are seeing right here, this is essentially the Straddle Premium, and you can see which strike we have chosen. And then, so that the reason I like this is because it tells me a lot about what's going on in the market. So today, for example, has been a very volatile day, extremely volatile day. We had a gap down of about around 1.5%. Then market went up quickly, and then 1.3%, and then from there for the rest of the day it just kept falling. So it just kept on falling for about 1.5%, and then from there you can see it then was again a very sharp reversal of 1.2%, right? So trading this, and I've been trading today, so trading this, you can see, is a very busy day, so many strikes. But trading these kind of setups is not very easy, and the only thing that helps us figure out what is going on is the Straddle Premium, because it tells us that, okay, look, there is something wrong with the market. The call option buyers, and the put option buyers, they are both very aggressive, right? They're both very aggressive, and there are chances that the market may make a move on both the sides. And so volatility only tells you what the market participants are thinking at any point of time. It doesn't tell you the direction in which the market is going to move, right? So don't take it as a directional tool. It is more of a volatility, uncertainty kind of a tool, which tells you what kind of uncertainty the market participants have currently. Along with that, we have also given this green line, which is called the Straddle average, which tells you the average premium that one should expect. And this data has been derived from the past 6 months of option premiums on a rolling basis. So when you compare the Straddle premiums with the one with the green line, basically the blue line with the green line, you get a very good sense of, yeah, today the volatility is much higher than expected, right? Or it's much lower than expected. Along with that, we have these percentile scores, which tells us again that whether the volatility is high or low with respect to the top 75 or the bottom 25. And you can see today, because of the enhanced market volatility, and you can see here the India VIX. If I get India VIX here, today India VIX went up by 24%. 24%. This is by the way, in case you are watching this video later on, this is because of that US-Iran conflict, where US bombed, and killed the Iranian president and Iranian supreme leader. So because of that, the volatility was so high. So we can see all these things right here. And if there was only one tool which I could use to trade on a day like this, that would be the Straddle Premium. Of course, there are other stuff which help us figure out what's going on. We can see what's going on with the different banks, and the heat maps and put call ratios also tells us a lot. Advances and declines, of course, they tell a clear story. But my focus today has been volatility, because today was an expiry day, and without the help of this tool, I don't think I would have been able to manage a day like this, right? So I just wanted to make this quick video to tell how to use this tool. So this is, by the way, a buzzer. You can track your live PNL. So today, in spite of having this kind of volatility, I mean, of course, at some point I was sitting on a better profits, but came back down. But my point is that all this is once you get a good sense of what's the market telling you. And the only way you can understand what the market is telling you, if you listen to either the price action or the Straddle premiums or both. Right, so explore it. It's a free tool. It's easily available. You guys can come and play around with this. We are also building a lot of other new functionalities which will be introduced in a short amount of time. So yeah, so that's basically what I wanted to share in this video. Hopefully you guys will use it. And if you want to see more features, or if you want to see more improvements in this tool, let us know, and we will consider making those changes. Okay.